Hey guys, this is Namita here. I'm back again, and today I'm going to talk about what should you do when your girlfriend or your boyfriend keeps you hanging. When they are not giving you commitment or when they are not giving you what you actually want. What should you do at that moment? Now, this is something very interesting. Many of these students come up to me with this question that, ma'am, my girlfriend, she told me that she wants to see me. But now she said at the last moment she cancelled it, and then she said that, I've got something really important and I don't want you to read between the lines. So now you have to understand that if she's done once, it's understandable. But if it is happening often, then you have to accept that you are not the priority for this friend of yours. You are not someone that she is taking seriously or he is taking seriously. Now you have to reflect it back upon yourself. That is this what you really want from life? Is it what you really want from her? Or is it what you really want from him? Or he or she is just taking you for granted. So now what should you do? So what should you really do when something like this is happening? So at times he was telling me that in this specific case, what his girlfriend used to do or the boyfriend used to do is that he would come to see her and have a good time and forget about everything, and they were really enjoying themselves. In fact, they were getting that warmthness from each other and having good time. But after that, once he's gone, he's kind of gone and he's not there for you. Now you are hanging there thinking that we had such a wonderful time, and maybe it's a bit complicated. We use this word that this is a bit complicated. To understand him is complicated, or to understand her is complicated. No, my friend, I don't think so. It's complicated. In fact, it's simpler. See, in a relationship, it is not always rosy. We do many things which we don't like for the other person. But end of the day, what is the objective? What is it that we are looking at? So what we are looking at is that we are trying to reach somewhere in a relationship. But in your case, if you are still meeting her or if you are still meeting him, when he is not there, when he is practically not giving you that commitment, if I have to say, it is just for a period of, so you have to reflect back and check that are you asking for commitment, and if the answer comes yes, I'm looking for commitment or I'm looking for something more in this relationship, I just don't want to hang out and forget. In that scenario, you cannot devalue yourself. We do things in a relationship which we don't like. Why? Because we are reaching at a place. Now in this scenario, if we are not reaching at one step also, and you are accepting that person, you are letting go of the fact that he was not there or he was not giving you value, or you are not important for him, or she is taking you for granted, she is not giving you that importance or that value, then what does that mean? Why am I there? I can get many more such people, many more beautiful relationships which are waiting for me. And I am kind of stopping myself here just because I think that he or she probably like me. Now this keep hanging is not a great feeling. I don't think so. It sucks. We need to come out of that dilemma. Now there are two things which will happen. This girl or this boy, if you tell her or if you tell him that, that this is not good for you, so now they are not going to let go of you that easy. Why? Because they are getting what they want. They are looking at that short-term gain. And if you still decide to be in that relationship, you are also looking for a short-term gain. Now you have to make a choice whether you want to go for a short-term gain or you want to go for a long-term happiness which you are looking at, because this is really short-term. Even if you will decide, they won't make it easy. That's how the world is. They are not going to let you go through the breakup or the heartbreak that easy and heal yourself. They will come and bother you. They will try to poke into you that no, this is, you are misunderstanding them, this is not what they meant, you are reading wrong. But tip number one, he or she has to be happy to be seeing you. He or she doesn't have to make any excuses. And if your heart says that he is making excuses or she is making excuses, then your gut is right. Tip number two, follow your gut. Your gut says that he's taking you for granted, she is taking you for granted. No questions, he or she is taking you for granted. Now, what should you do at this moment? What you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to, you're not supposed to make it like a giant deal, you know. At times we make it like very dramatic. We go there and we hand over a bunch of pictures and you are like, you are dead to me, I don't want to see you anymore. You don't have to make it like this. You have to make it sound like you need your space and I need mine, and this is what is right for you. You have to make him go a little off balance. Let him think, or let her think that, you know, what has actually happened. How come suddenly you are not dependent on him, or you are not dependent on her for the emotions or that emotional support? How can you be so independent? And that is what in fact attraction is all about. And here you are setting your standard right. You are setting your value right. You have to look into your eyes end of the day. You have to feel good about yourself and let him or her think. It doesn't matter. You can give him or her a hug and then just let him go. Now, the second part which comes is when he or she starts messaging you or texting you or WhatsApping you or doing Insta. What are you supposed to do at that moment? Now, if someone who doesn't consider you as important or who doesn't make you a priority, who is not really giving in time to you, investing in you, what do you do with those people? Okay, you look at their message, you don't mind, you think that they're your good friends, you want to reply them back, but it is not that instantly you have to do. The same thing you are going to do with this person. You are not going to send that message back instantly. You're not going to make him feel that special. If you find a call waiting, you're talking to someone else and you find this person calling you, you are going to continue to talk to the person that you are talking. This is what he or she deserves at the moment. This is where he or she is. And you need to accept it first that this is what is your decision. This is not someone else's decision. So he or she needs to understand the place. And then you will see a turnaround. But let me make it clear, you are not doing it to make a turnaround right now. Right now, what I'm trying to tell you is you have to give back to the person only as much as he or she is giving it to you. And if he or she is not making you a priority, and it is like a pattern which is happening in your life, he or she is not there, then you are not going to give that back to him or her. He or she is, kind of letting you hanging like a, like a ball. So you have to take the control back to yourself and you have to let him or her go. And it's okay. You have to tell yourself. This kind of helped my student when I told him to do that with that girl. In fact, now he's looking at, no ma'am, I think she means this to me, or she has, she didn't mean this, she has changed. If she has changed and you feel it is right, you are most welcome to go ahead. It is your life, it is your choice. I am just making you understand that whatever you do, you are doing it with what purpose. If you are doing or accepting things from a person which you don't like, your heart doesn't like, you have to be clear that why you are doing, because you want to reach somewhere. And if you are not reaching that place, then what good it is to accept that. Have value for yourself. Give that standard to yourself. Let others understand you and feel better. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel below. Feel free to comment if you have any questions below. I'll be answering them.